Oh, that's so cool.
Nice. Skydiving. Highly recommend it.
My Instagram followers forced me to go skydiving because for 24 hours, they had made all of my decisions for me. So here's what those 24 hours looked like.
So I saw this video by Yes Theory.
Where their Instagram followers
Made all their decisions for the next 24 hours.
based on polls on Instagram. So to challenge my spontaneity, I'm going to do the same thing and
Have you guys kind of make my decisions for the next 24 hours.
hours. So we'll see where this takes me. So it's a matter of road tripping to Austin or staying in Houston.
Looks like we're gonna be heading to Austin for the day and night. So here we go. Here you go, baby. One of the next polls was either attend a musical orchestra or watch a sunset that overlooked part of the city. The sunset won, so here's my attempt at trying to catch it.
Technically, the sun is set, so I didn't catch the sunset, and it looks super, super, super pretty. That's awesome. I like that.
The next decision was either help a homeless man out and buy him a meal or go to a luxurious restaurant.
So out of all the things you guys had me do, this decision was by far my favorite one. You guys were awesome enough and cool enough that you guys let me take a homeless guy out to dinner, and I was super thankful for that because that was something I really wanted to do, really try to help someone out. So I saw him sitting there with, cup out, had a sign that said spare change, and I went up to him and asked him if I could take him out for a meal. So these next clips show kind of my interaction with him for the night. Thank you guys for letting me have that interaction with him. Right down to Houston.
Like, really just to start my life over.
Yeah.
New beginning in life.
Lots of time.
After hearing about his story, I decided to give him a little bit extra cash, and here's how he reacted, and it was a super cool moment for me right here.
No problem. My man, how's your Wendy's? Beautiful? What'd you get?
Nice.
What'd you get?
I got a double cheeseburger, French fries, and a Frosty.
It works. All right, take care, man.
All right.
Earlier in the day, I gave a poll whether I should go camping or whether I should spend the night in a hotel room. And obviously you guys chose camping. So here's the clips from my campsite the next day. Good morning. It's Got a pretty beautiful day, so day 2 is underway. So the morning, the 24 hours. Next one we got is, how should I start the day? Should I cliff jump or should I go for a hike? So let the second day begin. Let's go cliff jumping. So I've been driving around for like the last hour. I don't know if the water level is so low. I don't know if I'll be able to jump. I mean, hell, you can see the tree sticking out there. So I have to resort to plan B. I don't know what that is yet. I'll figure it out.
Apparently there is no plan B because I found different cliffs to jump off of.
Send it Saturday!
Hamilton Pools is an oasis just outside of Austin, or I would have went to the Texas State Capitol. However, there was a little plot twist.
What's up, guys? So apparently Hamilton Pools, you need a reservation in order to go in. So in order to make it up, would you guys rather see me go skydiving or the state capitol? So let me know.
Hi there, do you guys have any
reservations today for like one single skydiver. All right, I'll see you in an hour. All right, I just got off the phone with the skydiving company. They had a one spot open in 1 hour, and I am 1 hour away. So, for all you that vote on skydiving, here we go.
Are you checking in?
Yep.
What's your name?
Jacob Procknum.
Sign, date, and initial everything, and then we'll come out and get you.
We're gonna jump out of an airplane.
Hell yeah.
You're gonna come and watch, right?
We're doing how many flips?
We're gonna do one.
One. Only one.
Gainer.
But a lot of spins. Gainer, so it counts.
A lot of spins, yeah.
Skydiving companies are usually pretty strict about letting you take your phone or GoPro up in the plane for liability reasons, obviously. But my instructor was cool enough. He let me take my phone up there and take these clips when we were in midair.
Yeah. Live ground.
Oh, that's so cool.
Woo! Nice job, Jay. 3,800 feet skydiving. Highly recommend it. I went skydiving. Shout out to Skydive San Marcos, because phenomenal experience. 100% highly recommend. 100%.
So there's what 24 hours of you guys making my decisions kind of looks like. Subscribe to me on YouTube and on Instagram, because this was so much fun and such an awesome 24 hours that I'm going to do it a few more times. Kind of see what happens, see where you guys take me, how big I go, what I do. So kind of excited for what's in store with these next couple of times.